Presenting a pre-owned 2004 Porsche Cayenne. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.5-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.